My people, how na dey? Na good morning. We dey here again. We wan talk something wey be say e relate to our health, wey be say e relate particularly to the men. Somebody ask me question. I post am for my my updates. I think yesterday. I dey ask the question. Say, wetin be 1 minute man? You understand? Somebody say make I talk about 1 minute man. You understand? Say na 1 minute man. Say how the person go fit take cure that quick release as for the guys, for the men. Maybe say you just enter bed with a woman, just now I just release 1 minute, don't release. You understand? You know they last for bed. So now I say make I quick tell you now this morning. So you see this type of situation, e dey common with men or some men. You understand? Many people dey shame to come out to come talk. You understand? To come talk, they dey shame to come out to come talk. They just dey suffer in silence, and e no good. So e good say if you dey some kind pain, you dey some kind situation, talk am. If you no fit talk am, as in confide in some kind person, so that they'll fit cure this problem for you. Now I bring come for una today, so that una go learn one or two from this thing and now use am well for una safe, and e go solve that problem for you. So, and if some people don dey that all these things dey work, if you use am, you no get anything to lose. You no get anything to lose. You no pack money put wey be say you say if I use am, e no go work, I go lose money. No, na knowledge I dey give una. You understand? Na knowledge. All this na practical knowledge wey be say you use am, e go work for yourself. You never use am, you dey say you sure say e dey work. E dey work. When you use am, you see how e take work for your body. Excuse me. You see how e take work for your body. You still come the comment section, still talk, say, see this thing work my body, more na still use am. As in, you still recommend am to other people. Other people still get fit in all these things, make they use am. Not be say you go pack money for here, buy this one, buy that one, buy this one. At the end of the day, they complain, say, they no dey work. I say some people, if they see free things like this, though, they commonize am. They no say, and we fit still package am this thing so they make more money. But when you dey see free knowledge, make you still value am. You no get anything to lose. You no get anything to lose if you use am. And make sure say this video, as you hear this video, make sure you still share am to people. Like the video, because people dey wey dey pass through, men dey wey dey pass through this stress. Maybe say maybe 1 minute man. In fact, they never dey last reach 1 minute man. They just enter bed with their woman. E don finish. You understand? They no dey enjoy the you understand the matter. So this thing wey I bring come for una today, if you use am, I assure you 100% say e go work for your body, and you go dey happy say e work for your body, and you no go spend money through. All these things na things wey be say dey near us, but we dey not value them, we dey underrate them, we dey feel say they no fit help us. So wetin I bring come for una today, the guys, una lis ten, una come near. Na be, you see, bitter kola. For that man wey be say e no dey last for bed, e no dey get energy to dey perform, e no dey last at all. Bitter kola, garlic. You see am? Bitter kola, garlic, and the last one na be honey. You see am? The last one na be honey. How you go take use this thing? For you wey be say you no dey last for bed at all, you just enter, you don release. You understand? This garlic so, how you fit take use am? You know say garlic, if you eat am, e get im own smell for mouth. So you no use am during the daytime, because maybe you dey go out, dey meet other people. That's why this honey dey here. But this honey go fit suit the taste, in the sense be say this honey, if you don't chop garlic, e go kill that smell for the mouth. But what you do for night, before you sleep every day, or for evening when you don reach house, this garlic so, you see am, you dey use am for 3 days in a week. 3 days in a week. This garlic wey you see so, you take this one about 3. As you see this one so, 3 of this type of garlic, you peel the body comot. You peel this body, you peel am. You put am for your mouth. After you put this 3 for your mouth, 3 like this for your mouth, you use this cover of honey. So this cover, take put two, wey dey call am, 2 cups with this honey cover. Use am take put 2 cups on your mouth, chew am every night before you sleep for 3 days in a week, and you dey do am continuously o. Every week you dey do am. Take this garlic every night, 3 days, 3 days every week. 3 of this garlic, you understand? Put am, peel am, put for your mouth. Put 2 cups of honey with the cover. I no say go carry cup let you drink water. This cup, this cover, this cover, this cover. Take put two drop for your mouth. Make the cover full. Put am for your mouth. Dey do am for 3 days, in a week. Why this? Wetin dey call am? The bitter kola. This bitter kola, take am 2 times a week. Na you know how you take am, whether na Monday, Tuesday, but make sure say you take am 2 times a week. All these medicine so wey we dey give, so all of them still get dosage. Like this one now, this what is it called? This bitter kola, so e dey cure a lot of things like diabetes and everything. So you no take am in excess because say you wan cure some kind things for your body. Because if you drain, because e dey reduce blood sugar so that you no get diabetes, e no mean say you come dey take am in excess. If you reduce your blood sugar too much, wey be say e fit give you better side effect. So wetin you do? Take am 2 times in a week. You understand? Meanwhile, that honey go stabilize your blood sugar for you. Why that? Wetin dey call am? Garlic. You understand? E go fight any type of bacteria wey be say dey hamper you from lasting for bed. All these things too go make your body dey kakaraka. You understand? When you take am, this one, take am 2 times a week, bitter kola, any time of the week, and you just feel say you fit take, even na morning before you go work o. Whether, because this one e get e own power, very potent. You understand? E dey give energy. You understand? This what you call am? Bitter kola. Dey make your body strong kakaraka. You understand? And that garlic, you know say garlic get im own different uses. E get many uses for body, but as for this case of 1 minute man so, use am. You see say just use am first week, second week, third week. You understand? You see say your body go come dey kakaraka, e go come strong, and you fit dey perform with no shame. You understand? No call you come the other room, you come dey shame say you dey busy or you no get chance. No, this thing e go remove shame for your face. So I just tell you so. Try am, make you use am. No be to go dey spend 100,000, 50,000, 80,000 for one kind medicine before you know say e go work. No. You understand? When they tell you secret, put the secret for ear, put the secret for head. Use am. Share am to other people wey be say they dey pass through this struggle. You understand? E go work for you and e go work for them. My people, I say ma just update you for this thing today. Nothing you go lose if you use this thing wey I just tell you so. Remove shame for your face. You understand? Remove am. All these things they near us for, but we dey underrate them, we no dey value them. As I tell you so, make you use am. E don work for other people and e go work for you. So any question wey you still get, make you still ask for the comment section. You fit still message me privately. We go see for another video again. Una take care and have a nice week. Now bye bye.